Connect the control wires correctly according to the circuit labeling. Connect the control circuit of conveyor device Node 1. Connect the control circuit of conveyor device Node 2. Open the lower left cover plate of conveyor device Node 1. Insert one end of the V-shaped iron lifting control cable into the controller's interface. Install the cover plate and tighten the fastening screws. Use a triangle key to open the lock of the main cabinet and remove the rear cover plate. Remove the cable gland lock nut. Insert the control wire and tighten the cable gland. Cross into another control line. Plug the control cable connector into the controller's interface. Close the rear tailgate. Connect the water pump control wire. Connect the feed control line of the milling cutter. Connect the servo motor control cable. Connect the main power supply to an air switch that meets the usage requirements. Adjust the height of the anchor at the bottom of the equipment to make all parts have the same height. The position of each part can be adjusted left and right to align the center line. During the adjustment process, a pipe can be used for verification until a satisfactory result is achieved. Turn on the power switch. Enter the system control interface. Place the pipe material to be cut. Click the pipe feed button. The input device starts to feed the pipe material into the cutting equipment. After reaching the cutting position, click the pipe feeding button again to stop the conveyor. Press the button labeled press roller down to initiate the descent of the press roller. When the pressure roller is pressing the pipe, click the pressure roller lowering button again to stop the roller from lowering, to avoid deforming the pipe. Inject cutting fluid into the water tank of the circulating pump. Turn on the circulating pump switch. Adjust the flow rate through a one-way valve. Start the cutting saw. Cutting saw start up. Click to lower the cutting saw. The cutting saw descends and cuts through the pipe. Click the cutting saw start button again to stop the cutting saw from running. Stop cutting, saw down. Activate the cutting saw to ascend. Click the up button again to stop the cutting saw from rising. Turn off the circulating pump switch. Push the milling cutter slide rail forward to make the milling cutter close to the sample, and then lock the fixing pin. Start the milling cutter. Start the rotation of the pressure roller. The pipe starts to rotate. Click on the milling cutter feed and press to slowly feed the milling cutter for chamfering. After chamfering is completed, the press roller automatically stops rotating. Then manually stop the milling cutter. Release the fixing pin. Retract the milling cutter slide rail backward to its initial position. Click the roller up button to lift the roller upwards. Click the up button again to stop. Activate the conveyor device to push the pipe out of the cutting equipment. Pressing this button again will stop the conveyor. This is the entire process of pipe cutting and chamfering.